This is a little extra that actually hasn't been listed as the supplies that we need, but I want to kind of show you this. Number one, well, let's go to the cardboard first. This piece of cardboard that you can see underneath the lace all the way around, the reason why we use that is to keep the pins stabilized in your pattern, and it keeps the so that they don't tear your pattern, and it also helps to protect your board. So it's just a piece of cardboard off of a cereal box, a pizza box, whatever comes out of your kitchen. Just take that piece of cardboard and cut it the size that you need for your lace. Turn it upside down so you don't look at all the writing on it and you don't have the printing underneath your pattern. And we will be using a piece of cardboard with every piece of lace that we make. So start collecting your cardboard now. And also, if you so desire, you can use that piece of cardboard after as a pricking to redo your pattern if you don't want to copy another pattern, because you will have that copy of the pricking off of your cardboard. The next item, you can see the piece that I've got on here now is actually a very large piece of lace that you do a section and take out all of the pins, and then you're going to rotate that section when it's done like this and start the next section. And you'll see that this one is made in 3 different sections so that it will be a huge doily when I get through. Well, I have 2 sets of bobbins that I am using to do different sections of this lace. One comes around these parts and another goes in a different direction. On this one, I have the Belgian bobbins. On this one, I have the Danish bobbins. It really doesn't matter if you mix them up. The other thing that you have noticed, I'm sure, is I have a piece of yarn that I have crocheted. And this is just single crochet and in a row of double crochet. And what you use these for is when I am not working this section, I slip my bobbins into these little holes between the double crochet. And that keeps your bobbins, looks like I've got this one a little bit tighter. I used a different kind of yarn. This is actually the, oh, I hate to put out names of brands, but like the peaches and creams that you use for dishcloths. And this is a little bit tighter. This yarn here is more what you use for afghans, and it's a lot softer. And these bobbins slip in and out of that very easily. And you just want that piece of crocheted strip to hold your bobbins in line so that when you move from one place to the other, they're not going to be mixed up and then you have to untangle them. So this is just a really good idea. If you know how to crochet, take a few minutes and just do a strip. I like to have it long enough that it stretches across my board, and then I can just put a pin on each side of it and hold it in place where I want those bobbins to hang. Then I can transport that board any place I want to go and not have my bobbins get mixed up. If you don't know how to crochet, give us a note and let us know. I would be more than happy to put a small video on and show you how to just do a crocheted strip so that you can keep your bobbins in line.